Hey, welcome friends to Scrapping It Up. I'm Vanessa Peter and I'm here to do another album share with you guys. And oh my gosh, I couldn't believe I come across this and I'm like, I don't think I ever shared this with you guys. I done this before Christmas. But I wanted to come on here and show you this because I'm going to do a tutorial on this right here on YouTube for you ladies. And I guess I just forgot about it, with all the Christmas and then with me having my medical issue, I totally forgot about it. But guess what? I found it, ladies. So I'm anxious to show you guys. I did use, to decorate this, I used a paper collection from Michael's, the Recollections. And I just used the papers from it. I did this over on my Facebook page, my fan page, Scrapping It Up. And we done a two-part class on it. I done one class of just creating it, and the next class we decorated it. It was one of those, I wasn't prepared for my class, and I winged the class. I mean, I done it right there, designed it right there in front of, in front of them. So, let's dive into this. I did do a ribbon closure for this. This one has a 1/2 inch spine, but on the cutting guide, I gave you guys a 3/4 inch spine because you're going to need a little bit more room. This folio does measure 7 by 7. There's the front, and there's the back. So let's dive in. This is such a cute, I mean, for something being, I didn't even know what I was going to create. All I knew I was going to create a folio, and this is what it wound up being like, ladies. So, on this side, we have a waterfall, and it is held by a magnet, okay? So, it is a sideways waterfall, and I didn't decorate the backs because I didn't want to bulk it up because I want you to save room for your photos, okay? So you just flip through it. And then you have a pocket. And I made a couple of tags to go in it. And that just closes right back up with a magnet. And then we have this here. It opens up. And then it opens up again. Oops, I guess I better be making sure I'm staying in camera. And then this one here opens up the same way, like that. And this folio does hold 30 of your favorite photos. So it does hold quite a few photos. And then that opens up. And then you've got another little pocket right here. So that's a folio I created. I done it on my Scrapping It Up fan page. And you can go check it out. I will put the link down below. I will be doing a tutorial on this here probably in the next few weeks. So keep an eye out for that. And I'll teach you guys how to make this. And I'll even come on and even decorate it with you guys. Sounds like fun to me. Okay, that's all I have for you guys today. I hope you guys are doing something crafty. And we will be talking later, guys. Okay, keep scrapping. Bye-bye.